Alrighty, so basically what you're seeing right now is take 50. And I've pretty much given up with this. I've got what could be a 4-inch pipe, I guess, but the 4-inch didn't fit on there. And the 3-inch didn't fit on there, but Cantex. So I'm a little confused on what's going on with that. I'm going to take you in a little closer. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to fix this. But you can see everything's sewer, everything's pooped, everything's nasty. My tools are covered in junk. And I've spent hours down here trying to figure out what's going on. I've used this torch to melt this Cantex. I've used Vaseline. I've cleaned the inside out, the outside. I've taken off the metal deals here, and I know there's easier ways to do this stuff, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to do because I'm done with it. And everything down there is PVC. See, everything's PVC except for this short strip right here, and I'm replacing it from here all the way. Everything in this part's going to be all new water and PVC. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do temporarily for right now, because this is a rental. I'm probably going to do about 8-month fix here. And then eventually when I dig up the whole outside, all the way to the sewer main, I'll fix this little stretch right here. But for now, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do and how I'm going to fix this temporarily. Everything's running downhill. Nothing's going to come out back up this way. So in my case, and for what I'm doing, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. And this 3-inch pipe fits right inside it, where there's like no space, no extra space. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this Cantex on there on one end, like this. Goes real easy on the PVC side. And take the screwdriver here that's covered in poo. I'm going to loosen it up quite a bit so that I can slide this PVC pipe all the way through it. I'm going to actually take it off completely. Well, I won't take it off. I need it on one end. I'll keep it on one end on this side over here. Keep it on this side, get this flat, and I'm going to push this other pipe into that other pipe. And bear with me. And I'm hitting the other end. Like that. Once that's about 2 feet in, and I've measured it because I've taken it in and out a couple times. And I'm going to take a rock, and I'm going to hit it with this rock. Okay, and that's about 4 feet in right there. And now I'm going to take that Cantex. I'm taking my glove off, so you know, one of my gloves just came off. The other one's still on. I'm going to take this torch. Okay, I'm going to take this torch. And I'm going to hold my breath. Because straighten this out a little bit. Get that ready. Okay. And I'm actually just gonna melt this. And then I'm gonna put tar over it. Caulking, like tar caulking. Yeah, it's probably terrible to breathe this, but I'm going for it, y'all. I'm going for it. I'm going for it. I'm going for it. I'm gonna tar it tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna tar the crap out of that thing. You ought to see it. And tomorrow when that dries, I'm getting out of here. Yeah, it's dark. I work late into the night, but when that dries and that's all done smoking, I'm gonna take more tar and put it all around that deal.